Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by ensuring Windows 11 is current and you're signed into your Microsoft account so widgets sync. Once done, enable the widgets toggle in taskbar settings. This makes the panel available. Then open the widgets pane by clicking the taskbar icon or pressing Win+W to bring it into view. You're not just opening a panel, you're preparing the canvas where widgets live, so make sure the pane stays visible while you add and adjust elements. Now add widgets by clicking the plus sign and selecting items like news, weather, or calendar. This is where you choose what appears. Once a widget is added, use its three-dot menu to resize or access customization options so content matches your needs. You can drag widgets to rearrange the layout for faster scanning. Also dive into widget settings to pick news interests and weather locations. These choices control what content updates and why it's relevant to you. Finish by removing any widgets you don't need and fine-tuning remaining ones for quick access. Removing clears space and reduces noise. For persistent glitches, reset widget data in Apps and Features, or sign out and back into your Microsoft account to refresh sync. If widgets still misbehave, restart Windows and confirm Microsoft services are reachable. One quick tip: rebooting the widgets process or toggling the taskbar.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.